Welcome to Bikes Explained, your trusted source for everything two wheels. Today, we're diving into the much-anticipated 2026 Kawasaki Z1100 RS, a motorcycle that blends classic style with cutting-edge performance. Kawasaki is reaching deep into its heritage while delivering modern engineering, and the Z1100 RS proves that retro doesn't mean outdated. A tribute to the past. Built for the future. The Z1100 RS pays homage to Kawasaki's legendary Z1 from the 1970s, with unmistakable vintage lines, a teardrop tank, and circular headlamp. But don't be fooled by the nostalgic design. Under the skin, it's every bit a modern machine. From the updated trellis frame to the high-end electronics suite, Kawasaki has fused heritage and innovation seamlessly. Engine and performance. At the heart of the Z1100 RS is a newly engineered 1089 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, tuned for smooth torque delivery and everyday rideability. With an estimated 140 horsepower, it offers spirited performance without sacrificing control. The engine features ride-by-wire technology, multiple riding modes, and advanced traction control, making it versatile for both seasoned riders and weekend cruisers. Chassis and ride quality. The bike sits on fully adjustable suspension, USD forks up front and a horizontal backlink rear shock, designed for both comfort and cornering prowess. Paired with dual radial-mounted Brembo calipers and a lightweight alloy frame, the Z1100 RS promises confident braking and responsive handling, whether you're navigating city streets or carving mountain roads. Technology and features. Kawasaki didn't hold back on the tech. The Z1100 RS features a full-color TFT display with smartphone connectivity, integrated navigation, and Bluetooth controls. An optional quickshifter, cornering ABS, and cruise control round out its impressive electronic suite, making this one of the most feature-rich retro bikes on the market. Final thoughts. The 2026 Kawasaki Z1100 RS is more than just a retro-styled motorcycle, it's a refined powerhouse that honors its roots while embracing the future. Kawasaki has struck a fine balance between timeless aesthetics and modern performance. For riders seeking both nostalgia and innovation, the Z1100 RS might just be the ultimate choice. Thanks for tuning in to Bikes Explained. Don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world's most exciting motorcycles. Ride safe.